Hi guys, welcome to the channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new, welcome. I hope you do stay. In this channel we share methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always choosing us. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you a platform that will pay you to play games. So if you're someone who loves playing games, you play games for fun, so now it's time for you to make money. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into it. So name of the platform is Ysense and this is how the website looks like. So in this website, you're not only going to be playing games, you'll take surveys. There's also daily offers. So this is how it looks. You just scroll down. So as you scroll down, you see like there's surveys and also there's games. So the games are divided into categories. So there is games that are suitable for iOS and also games that are for Android. So but some of the games are more or less the same. So you can see the first one, the Rock and Cash, is paying $569.55 dollars, and then the other one is $2.86, and this one you can earn up to $573.98, and the other one is $622. So there's quite a lot of games to choose from, so you can just choose any other game you like and start playing and get yourself some cash. So all you are going to need is to install the game into your phone. Some games need internet and some do not need internet. You can just play them offline and still make money. So if you have special preferences, you can always select casual. You can choose between casual, casino, puzzle, role-playing, simulation and strategy games. So currently these are the surveys they have. They always having lots and lots of surveys. There's ones that pays $0.2800, but they're very short. So I think the longer the survey, the more the money you are going to earn. So this is what they currently have. So you can withdraw your funds as soon as you reach $5, and they have different payment options. So they're using Skrill, Amazon, Payoneer, Zalando, Reward Link, and there's Apple, Switzerland, Amazon IT, and PayPal. So this particular game looks interesting and it's called Play Chili Pump. So it's easy to play. It's so simple. You guys can go ahead and download it and see how easy it is. So you are to reach different levels for you to get the highest amount of money, but it doesn't mean that you're not going to be paid if you don't reach the maximum level. Soon as you reach at that level, for instance, maybe you reach level 900, then you are still going to get your $5. So you get money as you go along, and it's gonna go to your account. So it's not like if you don't finish the game, you're not going to be paid anything. No, you get paid as you go along. So as soon as you reach level 1700, you'll get $17. So this one is called a ball sort puzzle. It's very simple. All you have to do is to sort out the colors. That's why it's not paying that much. So as soon as you reach the very first level pays. So once you are in level 200, then you are going to get $5. 1100, $1. So you get paid as you go up. As you go to the next level, you get paid, but it pays from the very first level. So you can always start small, download a smaller game, see how it works, and see how much you can make from that game. And then you go bigger. Then if you've gained your confidence and you're happy, you can always download a bigger game, get yourself $600 a month. So that's another way of making money online. I have the link in the description box. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and also come back for more. If this one doesn't work for you, to share it with the next person. I will see you on the next one. Bye.